Hello, Deer Ridge members. This is Victor Chashelski, your Director of Instruction, here with another VIX Tips. Lately in my lessons, I've been hearing a lot of challenges with bunker shots. Today, we're going to talk about an easier way to get it out in one, or hopefully closer to the hole and get your sandy or an up and down out of the bunker. The most important part about bunker shots is setup. We want to make sure that our weight is predominantly loaded on our front side. So that's about 60 to 70% of our weight. Then next, we want to dig our feet in and get a nice solid footing. So we're not allowed to touch the sand with our club. This is the best way to gauge how firm or how soft the bunker is. The next most important thing is our club face. We never want to have the club face square because this sharp leading edge will stick and dig into the sand. We want to open the club face slightly so you can see it sits down here at the bottom. That's called the bounce. The bounce is going to skip through the sand, propelling the golf ball out. Using the bounce will help the club skip along the ground, taking a nice shallow path. If we get the leading edge to stick into the ground, it goes really deep and takes a lot of sand and dirt. Most likely, you're going to leave the ball in the bunker. When we're practicing bunker shots, I want you to draw a line a couple inches behind the golf ball, and our goal is to slap that line just underneath the golf ball with some speed. So remember, we're going to dig our feet in. We are going to put our weight predominantly on our front side. We are going to have the club face open. Ball position is going to be center to slightly forward. And then we're just going to try to splash that line. So that hit in the perfect position. And then when you take a good practice swing like that, remember, only in practice, not on the golf course, we're going to do the same thing to the golf ball. We're going to dig in, weight predominantly on our front side, club face open, ball position center to forward, and splash. Pretty good shot. Have you ever hit a good shot and it rolls into the bunker and just to look down and find this? You're in a footprint or you're in someone else's divot. One of the most important things about keeping our course in good shape is maintaining the bunkers and making sure we rake them properly. We want course conditions to be exquisite for all members. First thing we want to do is fill in the footprints or the holes, making it nice and smooth, and then raking away from you while lifting up so it's a nice smooth surface. We want to avoid dropping the rake down and pulling the sand towards us. You can see it creates this big mountain of sand, plus the rake mark creates holes. Follow these tips to get out of the bunker in one, make more up and downs, saving you strokes around the green, and making sure that our course is perfect every single time we step onto it. Hope you have a great day, and please reach out if you need any other instructional help.